Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Quick look here at SUI. This coin's actually looking very strong still. Again, I got the little thumbs up there from yesterday. I was testing this level here at about $1.15. Looks like we've broken through that since. And what's important to recognize too in a situation like this is to reverse your fibs and to kind of understand how much further it could go. Because I get the question often like, hey, how do you when there's price discovery, what's the deal? You take the one-day candlestick closure, you put your fibs up to that level, and then you reverse it. This tells us that $1.31 would be the next potential resistance level for us. Okay, so again, just some friendly advice there, how to do that yourself. Again, if you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I hope you can learn something today. I do love teaching people to trade, so I got a trading academy, community, and signals group. Check that out, cryptocash.tech is a site to register. We got a lot of new members, so make sure you reference our signal guide if you haven't yet already. Make sure you understand what goes into that. And I do provide, again, trade signals. We took Celestia profit yesterday, 62%, Solana 42, Chainlink 33, VeChain 58%. And that just includes my premium plus, or my premium bot there. Sorry, my premium group, those are trades I send out myself. I have a bot as well that does this here for us, scalps the market. Matic, Matic, ETH, Litecoin, a lot of good trades are going on there here today. So congrats to our community members who caught some of those falling knife trades, so to speak. So if you're new to the channel, let's go ahead and check out the daily time frame, work our way down. That's kind of what I like to do first. Once again, we still have this fair value gap down as low as 86 cents. Is that going to be instantly filled? No, but eventually over time they do. So just be mindful that is still a thing. MACD is converging. Stochastic RSI is swinging upwards very strong. Traditional RSI is up over 70. That tells us that we are broken a key level resistance. Big surprise, we broke through that 115 mark. So everything's looking truly bullish here. There's literally no reason to consider shorting at this point. Again, this is based on the daily time frame. Daily time frame will tell you things are bullish even if the price is going down. You got to recognize that. So it's not like it's just going to shoot to the moon because of this, but that's a very good contributing factor there. Put that in the back of your mind, knowing that, hey, SUI still got some legs. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame, above all moving averages as well here. So at this point, we're in a situation where the price action will probably continue up or over. Let's double check a couple things though. First of all, we don't want to just presume that. MACD is swinging down a little bit, losing a little bit of momentum, of course. We can see the moving averages here as well. Basically, stochastic RSI swinging down, traditional RSI swinging down. Everything's coming back down to reality. So again, the price did overextend itself. We hit a 9 plus 3. So at this point, a pullback would make sense. But how much lower is it going to pull back to? That's kind of the question. So 115 is that tentative resistance. We just got to kind of respect that. If we take a look at the hourly, it'll tell us a little bit better of a situation here, or more. It'll give us more telling news here if the price is going to pull back or not. Keep this in mind though. If you look at this volume, monstrous amount of volume. Until we break below this moving average here, there's really no reason to consider the price going down. Do not short into a coin that has a monstrous amount of volume flowing into it. Okay, so please recognize that. That's a very big deal here. Ideally, the reason why the price is sustaining itself so well. Taking a look at the hourly, Ichimoku Cloud tells us we're all green lights here. There's no reason to short into this coin. We do have another 12 hours roughly before the price intersects with the price action, or the lagging span intersects with the price action. So what that basically just means for us here is that you should consider keeping your long position open for another 12 hours. At that point, consider maybe taking some profit if the price hasn't gone any further up. Okay, that's really what it boils down to. Inverse as well, do not short this coin until we're below the cloud. We're literally days away from a potential good consideration for a short. Okay, please do not short this coin. I know a lot of folks like, oh my gosh, Bitcoin's dropping, we're just going to short anything that's overextended. That's not the way it works, folks. These coins are sustaining because of the fact that they have a lot of volume, they're holding their price action, and even though they're trying to sell, which we saw this here, this is when Bitcoin sold off, that's not a massive drop. I know 10% is actually kind of a lot, but for a coin like this, that's nothing, okay? So please understand, this coin is very strong right now. Take a look at the 15 just to quickly verify. We got a more recent buy signal here, so technically we're in good shape to consider leaving your position open. Again, this indicator is one that I created, just kind of giving me confirmation on the 15-minute time frame, and we are seeing a recent buy signal. So I think we're not going to see the price pull back too hard if we do. If we do see a pullback, again, this 0.236 level at about $1.02 would be the next potential pivot point. I'll draw out some new fibs here for us and pull that up and place that on our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord if you're not familiar. I always post our playout charts there. I've also got the results for last month if you're curious about that. The list was pretty long, so congrats again to our members there. But again, we're looking at situations like this. I'll go ahead and post this on our social media. Last but not least, very important, equally as important as everything else we've already watched, there is a trading competition for Bitunix between the 15th and the 29th. You have to use my link to register for Bitunix first, and then click the link to register for the competition. It will look like this when you first click the original link there. And the reason why it's important is because there's no KYC or VPN. Most of our community members are US, Canada based, or at least half rather, and it's just one of those things to recognize. So $5,500 in rewards as well too if you use my link to register. Check them out, phenomenal exchange. So we got tech support over in our Discord if you're curious. We got our an admin, of course, that works directly with them. They're our affiliate, and they can answer any questions you have. So again, just check it out. Discord's awesome. It's free if you want to just kind of be part of the general group there. And if you want premium, consider joining. Link down below. There's limited slots available. Please understand that. And then furthermore, too, regarding that, make sure that you reach out to me if you have any questions, because I don't want you to feel concerned or worried about it. I have an open door policy, so feel free to reach out. Love working with you. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Take care.